Alright, you're welcome to another interesting topic, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, very interesting topic. We're going to look at it. Now, what is algebraic expression? Right, in simple terms, it is that the use of letters, numbers, and symbols to represent a statement. That's all about algebraic expression. The use of letters such as A, B, C, X, Y, P, Q, as we know in mathematics, and numbers 1, 2, 3, zeros, fraction, stuff, and also symbols like brackets, equal sign, multiplication sign, division sign, the use of any simple sign, the four basic signs, to represent a statement in mathematics. So what does that mean? The examiner will make a statement and expect you to use symbols, letters, and numbers to represent that statement that has been made for you in examination or in a test. You see how simple it is? So purely it is English, then application of logic. And logic is thinking, analysis. Like I keep saying, anybody who has brains can what? Can think. If you have brains, you can think. So let's move on to what algebraic expression has to offer us. Right? Good. Very good. So like I said, the use of numbers, letters, and symbols such as you see on the screen, plus, minus, multiplication, division, brackets, etc. to represent a statement in mathematics. So let's move on to the main business. What are the symbols, or what are those letters that are going to be used to represent in mathematics? Now, let's look at terminologies, certain terminologies in algebra or in mathematics in general. The addition symbol, which you call plus, right? And the popular name is what? Plus. So if you know plus, simple. So this is plus. Plus means use this symbol. The next one is what? Add. Add is addition sign. Sum, join, unite, increase, more, greater. So when you hear these words, they symbolize what? Addition sign. So just put addition. The next one is subtraction sign, as you see, minus. So subtract, take out of. If you take out of something, then you subtract. Remove, decrease, right? To decrease means subtraction. Less. So when you hear of less, subtraction is somewhere, right? Good. Less. So these are things. Difference. Difference. Even at KG1, they know. Find the difference between 7 and 5. They know what to do. Then from, take away. You can also use what? Take away. Take away from something. It's also subtraction. Now let's look at multiplication sign. Number 3. That's the third one. Multiplication sign. So with multiplication sign, it can be this or that. Now, it is more better to use the bracket sign. Please, are you okay with that? Very important. So we just use bracket. By using this, it's not wrong. But especially when there's a twin term, if I talk of a twin term, that means it is coming as a unit. Maybe 2x plus 5 is coming as a unit to multiply something. So you put that one in brackets so that I can multiply to affect the two of them inside. We'll look at it as we look at examples. Next one is divide. Divide is the same as this symbol, division symbol, but normally we prefer to use the bar. So maybe 2 over 5. We prefer to use that one when you talk about division. Preferably use that one. So divide, share. To share means to divide. Distribute. So division is sharing, basically. Division is what? Sharing. So divide, share, distribute, split, cut, right, over, on and on. So as you go, we see more English representing division or the bar. Equal sign, equal. Equal. If something is equal, so you can say your name is equal to your age, or you are equal to your age. That means answer, that's the result. It can be equivalent. So your name is equivalent to you. You understand? You, equivalent, is equal. Identical, if some two things are identical, that means they look alike, they are equivalent. Same as, if something is same as, right? Your mobile phone is same as that, it means it is equal to it. Result of something means they are equal. Total, and the total is, so the sum of something, the total of something is. Good. Is, are, was, were. My name is. Mathematically, you can write my name equals. Yes. My name is equal to, or my name equals. That is it. So is and their present, past tense, and singular, plural are all what? Representing equal sign. So take note of that. So any unknown variable is also, or any unknown number is also represented by what? A variable. Take note of that. If there's a number that is unknown, we are suspecting a number, but the number is not given in the question, you represent that by a variable. So you can use x, y, a, b, p, q, and all that one, so forth and so on. Right. Then also respect the order in which the statement is being made. The order. 7 is subtracted from 10. Take note. 7 is subtracted from 10. How do you write that? We look at that as we go along. So 7 is subtracted from 10. Okay. So let's see the next one. Now let's see some examples of what we just said. Some examples. Now, if you have examples like, good. If you have examples like twice a number, twice means what? Times 2. Twice a number. What is the number? That number is not given. So in paper 2, you say let the number be x, or let the number be a, or let the number be p or q. That is how you write it. So twice a number means twice times the number, which we have represented by what? X. So the answer will be equal to twice of x. That is what it means. So that is how you write it in mathematics. Are you okay with that? Perfect. Twice a number. So twice a number means 3 times the number. Please, are you okay? This is algebra, basically. Now, 2/5 a number is subtracted from 7 times the number. There is definite article, the specific. So what? 2/5. How do you write 2/5 in mathematics? 2/5. 2/5 of a number of in mathematics multiplication. So 2/5 a number is, this is the number. 2/5 a number. 2/5 of a number. This is how you write it. Perfect. It's subtracted from. So in other words, I can decide to put another word synonymous to this, right? Or similar to this by saying taken away. Taken away. So if something is subtracted from, this is speaking in past participle, it's subtracted from, that means it's taken away from. That means there's something there, and this one, 2/5 of a number, is taken away from that thing. What is that thing? From what? 7 times the number. 7 times the number, and that can be written as 7 times the number. What is the number? The number is x, which we know already. So this will write. If he had said 7 times another number, we would have changed the variable to maybe y. So that would have been what? 7y. But I said the number, that's why I emphasize it, definite article. Right? So 2/5 a number, which is this one, is subtracted from, taken away from 7 times the number. So it's taken away from. So that means the number was there, and this one, 2/5 a number, is taken away from it. This is how it is written. Mathematics. This is where I said the order of the English must be respected. The order in which the statement is being made must be given that respect. Who was first before the subtraction took place? Who was first before addition took place? So if you are given something like twice a number is added to 15 times the same number, what do you do? Twice a number, this is a twice the number, is added to 15 times the same number. So 15 times the same number was there, then twice a number was added to it. So the arrangement is very key, very important in mathematics. You see it. We look at more examples, right? Let's look at more examples here.